Welcome back. So today we're looking at consonant P. The Spanish P is pronounced like the P in the word spot, except that there is no puff of air. All right, I guess let's look at some examples and see how it is pronounced.
Listen and repeat.
Papá,
Papa, papa, dad,
papa,
papa, potato. So notice one has an accent over
papá,
A, and obviously the pronunciation is different, right? So papa, and this is papa,
papa,
potato.
tiempo,
Tiempo, time or weather.
Pero,
Pero, but.
pera,
Pera, pear.
simpático,
Simpático, nice.
Listen and repeat.
Okay.
papá,
Papa, dad.
papa,
Papa, potato.
tiempo,
Tiempo, which means time or weather.
pero,
Pero is but.
pera,
Pera is pear.
simpático,
Simpático is nice.
Listen and repeat.
Okay, so this is from the speakers from Peru.
papá,
Papa is dad.
papa,
Papa is potato.
tiempo,
Tiempo is time or weather.
pero,
Pero is but.
pera,
Pera is pear. And the last one,
simpático.
simpático, is nice. Alright, so looks like we have completed this exercise. So it's pretty much straightforward. P is P, but with no puff of air. So it's pretty similar. And so in the next video, we'll be looking at diphth. It's again another diphthong. So it's diphthong IU. So until then, see you next time.